Welcome back to Learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. In the previous episode, we introduced the defense system and 2 blocks. If you missed that, go ahead and watch it before continuing this session.
Hi, welcome back to your second lesson in defense in using Muay Thai. Well, I presume you have practiced the last 2 defense that you learned. Today you'll be having a new lesson where you learn 2 more different variations about the defense. Having said that, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar and you know Ganesh. We today will guide you through the next episode of defense. Today you will learn about the word Pid and Perd. Again, it's foreign term. Pid is where you would use the block as an attack, which means the block becomes the attack. The defense becomes the attack. Let's see how we can do that. Right, Ganesh, please come to the front. Please come to the front. Thank you. Let's say Ganesh tries to do a swing, a hook punch. Right, take a hook. So the hook, in this hook, you would use the block against the bicep here, this way. Right. Now this movement, we call it as Tadmala. Tadmala means the lady wearing the flower, this way. So over here you're engaging your elbow as an act of defense against the incoming swing. When the swing is coming in, the elbow would protect you by striking the nerve on the bicep point or the forearm here, the elbow point here, right? So now let's see. Right, go for the swing. 1. Let's go. 2. Pound. 3. Pound. To probably get a better view from the outside, let's change the position a little bit. Ready, Ganesh? Ready, 1. Whoop. 2. Whoop. 3. You can see the point of contact here. The elbow goes into the nerve, hitting or damaging the bicep here, which will stop your opponent from going further with any more attacks. This is one of the examples. Good. Now let's say you go for a swing again, and I use Tadmala. Now this block can become the spear elbow thrusting into the face. Right, let's go. Swing. Whoop. You blocked. Same thing can go for the attack. Ready? Swing. Whoop. Same elbow, go to the attack. Ready? Swing. Whoop. I can push this into the solar plexus. So these are the few examples about how to use Pid. Let's see how we can use it against the kicks. Let's go for the roundhouse kick, Ganesh. Ready? So you have blocked the leg, same time you have gone for the attack. Let's go. Go again. Up. Bam. So that's how you use against the kick. And let's see how to use against the knee. Ready? Knee. Up. Straight knee. Ready, Ganesh, up, away. So this, you hit the upper part of your knee. 1, away. 2, up, 3. So those are the few ways you can use Pid as an act of defense, which means your defense becomes the attack at the same time. Thank you. Now we look at the next one, Perd. Perd is to open the attack, and while you open the attack, let's say he goes for a swing, I open the attack, I made way, I go for the counter. So open the attack and counter the same time. Ready? Let's go. Ready? Swing. Up. Swing. Up. 1. Let's go again. Up. 1. Let's go again. Up. Up. 1. So you can see the block and the counter go same time. Ready? 2. Swing again. Up. Let's go again. Up. Up. So you can see the block, that's to open, make way, and counter go the same time. Ready? Let's go for the cross jab. Up. Up. Go for the attack. Cross jab. Away. Cross jab. Up. Ready? Cross jab. Up. good. So these are the few examples about Perd. This is just to give you a brief example how you can use these defense while you're training Muay Thai. Thank you. I hope you like the videos. Please do like and share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. Thank you.